Ever found yourself staring at your Spaceship app, wondering how on earth you switch your bank account? Like, you're ready to level up your financial game, but that old account is just dragging you down. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Spaceship and figuring out how to swap those bank details. Let's get started. First things first, why would you even want to change your bank account on Spaceship? Well, maybe your old bank is charging you a million fees, or maybe you've found a new bank that offers better interest rates. Whatever the reason, knowing how to update your bank details is crucial. So, here's the deal. Changing your bank account on Spaceship isn't as complicated as it sounds. But, there are a few things you need to know before you dive in. Let's break it down. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you even open the Spaceship app, make sure you have the following information ready. Your new bank account details. This includes your account number, BSB number, if applicable, and any other relevant information. A valid ID. You'll need this for verification purposes. Step 2. Log into your Spaceship app. Open up your Spaceship app and log in using your username and password. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Step 3. Navigate to your settings. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear or a profile picture. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Find the bank account section. In the settings menu, you should find an option related to your bank account. It might be labeled linked accounts, bank details, or something similar. Tap on it. Step 5. Remove your old bank account. Before adding a new account, you might need to remove your old one. Look for an option to delete or remove your current bank account. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal. Step 6. Add your new bank account. Now, it's time to link your new bank account. You'll usually see an option to add a new bank account. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to enter your new bank account details. Step 7. Verify your identity. Spaceship takes security seriously, so you'll likely need to verify your identity. This might involve taking a selfie, uploading a government-issued ID, or answering security questions. Step 8. Confirm the change. Once you've entered all the required information and verified your identity, you'll usually be asked to confirm the change. Double-check everything before proceeding. Step 9. Wait for verification. Spaceship might take some time to verify your new bank account. Be patient. You'll receive a notification once the process is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your bank account on Spaceship. Easy peasy, right? Now, a few quick tips. Double-check your details. Make sure you enter your new bank account information correctly. Errors can cause delays and frustrations. Keep your ID handy. Having your ID ready will speed up the verification process. Be patient. Changing your bank account might take a few days, so don't panic if you don't see the changes immediately. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have questions, Spaceship's customer support is there to help. Check their website or app for contact details. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.